Well, here we are, a whole year and a lot of months later. Probably a year and a half by now. So this has been in a screw top, I've just realised. So let's hope it's been alright. Oh, yeah. I give quite the hiss. Good year. Excellent year for buying lemons. So this should be the lemon mead. Did I make it carbonated? Is this the right mead? I think it is the right one. Is it? Oh, oh dear, oh dear. That's lovely, whatever it is. Let's. I'll review the footage and see if I put it in this bottle. Excellent news. I put the lemon mead in this bottle. I will definitely start labelling things, I think, this year when I start. Well, when I start making new ones. I do want to give this a test because it clearly has carbonated. So it's eaten some of that honey that I put in there. I'm also realizing that a lot of the time, because I'm still very new to this, a lot of the time I think I was just deciding that the mead was done. I just thought it's done, and then I just back sweetened it, and I suppose I didn't even think about it. I thought I mean, some of them I did pasteurize. So unless that doesn't matter when you put the honey back in, I know with the natural honey, like the real honey, there's yeast in the actual honey. But with this shop bought stuff, it's going to be a lot of it's going to be quite fake. So I wouldn't have thought there'd be yeast in it, but I might not pasteurize this. Oh wow, okay. I don't know if the bubbliness affects the reading, but this is really high. What did I end this on? I mean, this is now 1.040, around that. So I did just read what the future gravity was, but I've already forgotten, haven't I? Either way, yeah, I was just surprised that it wasn't a very lemony smell. Yeah, still, there's not really much of a lemon to it. When you taste it, it's definitely, there's a lot more citrus in it, for sure. I mean, I used the shop bought honey, which is, 99% of the time rubbish. It's going to be rubbish. So, um, I like that it's bubbly though. I mean, that was an accidental carbonation that's worked out very nicely. I do like that. It's just something about this. It doesn't feel sweet. I mean, it's a 1.040, so it should be insanely sweet. I mean, you start beer at that level. Yeah, and I mean, it's above the level that says sweet, so maybe it's too sweet. Maybe that high level of sweetness just kind of, I don't know, cancels itself out. Something could that happen? I'm definitely gonna have to review the footage, see what I did, and kind of add everything up to see what it is. Because yeah, it does. It tastes quite strong as well. Maybe I've just left it too long. Maybe I shouldn't have left it that extra half a year. Um, Maybe I should have just tasted it after a year. Yeah, I'm definitely getting the alcohol is really overpowering in this. It's I mean, I'll still drink it. I did notice just after it had finished and I drank some of it that it did make me feel a bit sick. I think it was maybe how high the sweetness is, but I think how acidic it is as well. I did mess up the recipe as well, so this is definitely gonna need a retry. Yeah, I definitely didn't use enough tea. I remember when I was making it, I put in way too much water to begin with, and then once I started adding everything else, it was kind of too late. I couldn't really take the water out, so yeah, I couldn't put in enough tea, and I think that's really brought it down a bit. I mean, it tastes thick, but that's probably just the amount of honey that was used. The main thickness is once you've swallowed it and you get that residual honey at the back of your throat. It's yeah, I mean, it's not the best. Makes you Makes you feel like you need to clear your throat. This has definitely made me decide that I'm not going to use that cheap shop bought honey anymore. I used it because it was cheap, and before I even knew that it wasn't anywhere near legit honey. So, So basically with this one, it tastes alright. I mean, it's definitely the worst one I've made so far, but it's still drinkable at least. Yeah, the best thing about this is that there's carbonation, which was an accident, and there is a bit of a lemon flavor coming through, and there is quite a lemon flavor coming through. It's just let down by the honey and how high the alcohol content is. I think it tastes like it's quite high, so we'll see. Maybe that's some other flavors coming through. Well, this will see me through for the next few days, so cheers.